Alright, so my two secrets and achieving my multiple sources of income. Positive Day Believers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Alright, so let's get down to my topic for my today's vlog. My two secrets in achieving my multiple sources of income. So before anything else, of course, let me tell you ano ba yung mga sources of income ko, ano ba yung mga pinagkakitaan ngayon ni Doc G. So of course, first of all, I have my full-time job. I'm a principal and dean in our school, in the private school in Balanga City. So that that gives me a lot of money. I mean it's a full-time work and I have this position. So with what I'm receiving, I'm satisfied with that. All right. So that's first. I have full-time job. Okay. And second, I have side jobs. Okay. I have different racket. Okay. So first is I'm conducting seminars at least 2 to 3 times a month, and I'm earning at least an average of 30,000 a month. Okay, so that's the second. And the third is, and of course, I have my YouTube channel that that promised me a lot of money in the near future. I started receiving dollar from YouTube since January and February this year. Remember, I just started 6 months ago, and this March I'm hoping to receive higher, bigger amount of money rather than last month. Okay, and my fourth source of income, my side job, is of course my book. This one I still have the copy. I think this one, How to Embrace Transformation, because it has a lot of sales, and okay, wait. Okay, so it has I got a lot of sales here because there's somebody that's selling this, and I have different bookstores who are selling my book. So I don't have expenses anymore from this book, so it's just a profit. I still have a lot of copies so available, so I keep on receiving money from this. But the next question is the two secrets. So how do I manage my time? What are the two secrets that keep me on top of this everything? Of course, first, there's a lot of sacrifices. So after work, I will sit down here. This is my work area. As you see, some kind of chaos and everything. So it's a working table, working backdrop, working everything. So I'm spending at least 2 hours a day for this, for my side job. So I do a lot of presentations. I review. I made research. I upload everything. So that's a lot of sacrifice on my part. I spend 2 to 3 hours. Then sometimes I need to wake up early in the morning just to upload my vlogs. All right. And of course, my second secret is focus, and focus. So I focus a lot on my target. My target is to upload at least one vlog every day. My target is to have at least 2 to 3 seminars a day, and to have sales in from my book. So I focus on that. So what do I do? Every day I'm doing something to attain that goal. So like now, I just arrived from work, so I'm so tired the whole day, but I will not stop because, Angel, what is my philosophy? Do not stop when you are tired. Stop only when you're done. All right. So I need to do these two vlogs, okay, before I will stop. Okay. So those are the two secrets that keeps me on top of everything. All right. So you can share this video to those people that that they want to start their own side job but they find it hard, so that we can help them and we can inspire them. Alright, so thank you very much, G-Leavers. And if you need a speaker for a seminar for student, teachers, parents, and companies team building, just call me 0939-5254-311. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go!